A bartender's sunrise. Darkness fades as the bartender flicks on the lights, illuminating a stage set for a new day's performance. A bar, eerily silent, awakens under the tender touch of its host. Glasses gleam like stars under a careful polish. One by one, each chair is unhinged from its slumber, aligned perfectly, obedient soldiers ready for the day's patrons. Bottles shimmer, labels facing forward, a tempting kaleidoscope of liquid courage shining in the early morning light. The quiet clink of ice cubes falling into a glass echoes in the empty room, a familiar symphony of work. The first draft is poured, foam settling like a crown atop the amber liquid. It stands, a silent promise of camaraderie. The door creaks open, the first customer stepping in, a beacon of life returning. The bartender smiles, this is his sunrise.